New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
By the National Weather Service in severe weather during the normal every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal set time,
Especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas and near southeast New Jersey, Pleasant, Burlington, Cumberland, and Ocean, including at the coastal waters from Massachusetts, New Jersey, and Delaware of 40 nautical miles, and all Delaware Basin. This concludes the week of no weather radio all hazards.
coastal waters from Great Basin,
Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
This concludes the weekly check of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.